Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing Dabur India, Dr. Reddy and Berger Paints, and other 6 videos you can see here. Axis Bank till HPCL. I have shared the link in the description box. I have analyzed all these stocks. You can go and check it out. Now let's go ahead and analyze what is going to happen in the coming week for Dabur India, Dr. Reddy and Berger Paint. And in case you are new to the channel, guys, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. And if you are enjoying watching my videos, give a like. And there's also a strategy shared for intraday traders in the description box. You can check it out. You can go through the video. In case you have any doubts, drop a comment. I'll try to solve that. And also join the Telegram group so that you get regular updates there as well. Now let's move it for Dabur India. Okay, now in case you see here Dabur India, this is a daily chart for Dabur India. Now let me show you. Actually this is trading somewhere near a key support. What is the key support what I have identified here? Let me show you that. Let me draw a trend line here. There's a one trend line what I have. Let me show you one more trend line somewhere here. Now in this 3 trend lines I'm trying to take the best one. Okay, now you can see here what has happened. This is a simple analysis what I'm trying to show you. Whenever it has hit this trend line, the stocks have bounced, right? You can see here there's a place from where the stock has bounced. I'll just change the format of this line so that you understand easily. Okay, you can see the thick line here, thick purple line. So whenever the stock has hit this trend line, there has been a bounce, right? So now again it has come near the trend line, and it's also near the key support, that is 50 moving average. So in case it touches this trend line and reverses, then there are good chances the stock will start moving up. Now what is the maximum level we can expect the stock to move up? Let me draw one more trend line here and show you. You can see here, this is the point you can expect somewhere around 550 to 560 levels. This is a simple analysis. Those who are taking trades on day trades, intraday traders, if you see any opportunity, you can definitely take this. And one more thing you got to focus is, if this trend line, a small trend line what has formed, once it breaks, then there are good chances the stock will start heading upside. It can come touch this level and bounce back. Once it breaks, once we see a good bullish candle close, it can retest again and then bounce back like this, or there can be a direct movement on the upside. But the max level I'm expecting here, this is good for swing traders as well, is somewhere around 550 to 560 levels. This can be a range what you can expect for the momentum on the upside. And now the other thing as well in the picture, in case it breaks this trend line as well, on the downside, if we see a bearish candle coming here, we can expect prices move again to this 200-day moving average, which will be very important. You can see here 200-day moving average has provided support here. You can see here it has provided support here as well. So this 200-day moving average will also be a key support if the stocks start moving on the downside direction. So this is a simple analysis on Dabur India. Now let's go to the next stock. The next stock is Dr. Reddy and Berger Paint. Guys, I'm covering 3 stocks in this video. That's it. You can check out other stocks analysis also. I have shared the link below in the description box. Now let's move to Dr. Reddy. Okay, now what has happened here in Dr. Reddy? Let me tell you, Dr. Reddy looks very interesting. In case you guys are aware of chart patterns, this had formed something like a double top. right? And recently it has broken the double top and it has started moving down. This was the key level in double top and it started moving down. This is the one thing what I've observed here. The second important thing is the stock had this time come near this 200-day moving average and then bounced. Right now it's bouncing up. So after a long time, Dr. Reddy has come below 200-day moving average, which is showing a little weakness. Though it has bounced up now, but still we need to be aware there are very good chances it can drop down again. So what are the levels I'm expecting on the upside and downside? Let me tell you. See here, whenever the stock has dropped below 200-day moving average, there has been downside momentum. You can see here, right? So stock, it has, you can see the price recently it has come below 200-day moving average. Though the markets were very bullish in this particular time, but still Dr. Reddy has dropped down. So what next here? Let me tell you. So first thing what I'm seeing is the candle high, that is Friday's candle high, which is going to be a very important level. In case price breaks this level, then there are good chances it can go and take support somewhere near 50 moving average. This 50 moving average will be a key level where we can find support, and from this level either it can drop down again, or in case it sustains above this level 50 moving average, then stock will start trading upside. So Dr. Reddy has come somewhere near a very deciding point. So probably this level will be very important. This entire area will be very important. You can take it as 5000 to 5100 levels. This can be a point from where we can see a reversal, or this can be a point once it closes below above 5100, we can expect a rally on the upside. Now other important thing, if I have to show you, let me draw a trend line and show you what has happened here. You can see here this trend line has been breached in Dr. Reddy. Okay, this looks good. You can see here what has happened. Let me zoom this. Okay. Okay, now this is the point what I'm talking about, this level. Either we can see a reversal from this level somewhere near this 5100 range, or once it breaks this range and once it starts trading above this trend line, there are good chances we can expect some more momentum on the upside in Dr. Reddy. Right, and in case it reverses from again this range, then guys, expect it to touch again 200-day moving average. This 200-day moving average can act as a strong support again here, and if that doesn't sustain, if price sustain below that, then make sure once it starts making lower lows, you can create short position on the downside. Right, now let's move to the next stock, that is Berger Paint. I have given here 50 moving average key support. Let's check it out for Berger Paint. Okay, you can see here now. The reason why I have marked that as an important support, because the stock has been trading somewhere near 50 moving average, and in fact if you see for last 4 days the stock has sustained almost near the 50 moving average as well. The closing is near the 50 moving average itself. Let's see what is the closing on Friday. The Friday closing was 730.15 and 50 moving average was 730.09. So what can happen here? Let's first check out what has happened with the trend line and how it has supported this 50 moving average. Okay, now you can see here the prices had almost reversed every time somewhere near the 50 moving average itself. It has not touched here any time. In fact, this is the first time it is breaking this 50 moving average and bouncing up. Let me also draw a trend line and see what is happening, so that we have a clear analysis. Guys, always remember one thing: trend is your friend. Don't go against the trend. Okay, now here if you see, this is a point I'll try to draw trend line with. Okay, now this is a very good point, you can see here, right? Let me remove the 50 moving average so that it will be more clear. You can see here, every time it has touched this line, it has bounced up, and recently as well, after touching this line, it has started bouncing up. So here, this will be a key point which I am going to mark here, this level, because after bouncing this, it has come down, dropped down, though it has not broken this level. All these 3 days it has traded below this level. So in case it breaks 746.45, we can expect this level to come in, 764 and 775 on the upside. So this level is going to be a key level, and if this trend line breaks, we can expect prices again to hit 697.65, and the next target will be 681.05. So 681.50, I'm sorry. So this trend line will be a key level again. In case we see a close below this, we can expect prices to move down, and in case price trades above this high, or in case price touches this trend line and reverses again, we can create a long position for a target of 746, 764 and 775. This is the simple analysis of Berger Paint. Now in next video I'll again cover 3 more stocks, that is Bank of Baroda, Bharti Airtel and BPCL. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. You can go ahead and check out the description box. You have analysis of all other stocks. The links I have shared in the description box. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.